Ready, go!
Hello, my name is Annie. Picky Nicky. Nicky only is spaghetti. Picky Nicky. Mom and Dad said supper is ready. Picky Nicky says, I want spaghetti. Mom says, no spaghetti. We are having peas and carrots. Picky Nicky says, I would rather eat peas and carrots than peas and carrots. They says we are also having grapes and pears. Picky Nicky says I would rather eat apples and pears than grapes and pears. Picky Nicky says Freddy always has spaghetti. They say let's go eat at Freddy's house. So Picky Nicky goes to Freddy's house. She goes to the door. She rings the bell. What's for supper? She says. It's spaghetti, says Freddy. Get a plate. Freddy's mom brings the spaghetti. Then she says, we are also having peas, carrots, grapes, and pears. Pass your plate. Oh no, Picky Nicky thinks. I would rather eat carrots, apples, and pears than peas, carrots, grapes, and pears. What will she do? I know Picky Nicky takes a spoon of peas, a spoon of carrots, some grapes, and a little bit of pear. Then she hides them under her spaghetti. Soon her plate is clean. Where are the peas, carrots,